Good morning. So today we are going to be pinching back our petunias. So as you can see, I have this beautiful tray of petunias and they've gotten a little bit out of hand. I probably should have pinched them back before I transplanted them, but I was kind of playing with time with the weather outside. We finally had a warm day. It was around, I think it said 44 to 46 degrees on Wednesday. And so I took the time to do my soil blocks and to pot up my petunias. Now I do have a video explaining and showing how I did the soil blocks coming up. I'm going to prune just above the first set of true leaves, and that's going to help the petunias bush out and get nice and thick and full and way more flowers. So I'm just going to go in on a few here, and I know it's hard to do. Boop. All right, and I'm going to just put them in this little tray. And they look a little worse for the wear because I did transplant them, so sometimes it'll take a few days to kind of perk back up, but they actually look better than they did yesterday. So that's encouraging. On some of these, what I'm talking about, and you can see like these got way too big for the container. I should have pruned them back a little while ago, but they grow so fast. So here, you can see I planted them. You can see that these are the seed leaves and they kind of got a little damaged in the planting. Use your thumb, your fingernail. So I might do that on these. Now you can see this one's got a lot of side growth. On here you can see there's the seed leaves. It's already starting to grow some side growth. It's starting to get some bushiness. I'm just going to pinch it back right there. Okay, so some of these are the pansies, and they're getting pretty bushy on their own, but I am going to pinch them back. Mainly because I don't want them to run out of room in here. Because I do not want to have to oh my gosh, look at this guy. Absolutely beautiful. So we're going to pinch this back all the way down there. And now if I want, I might actually try it with a few of these. I can actually just stick this in water now and try and root a few more pansies, which I might do because I don't have a ton of the pansies, as you can see. But I do have way too many of the petunias, so give them a nice hard prune. So these have already been potted up once. I had started them in one of those little pie plates because I honestly didn't think the seeds were going to be viable because I had pulled them off of a hybrid, and I thought, well, we'll see. The other seeds I had, these ones, the purple and the white ones, I was pretty sure they would grow because I got those in a seed swap, and the lady had said that she had grown hers from seed last year. But wave are a hybrid at some point, and then seeds from seeds, I was like, we'll see how it goes. And I swear I got like 300% germination rate, like everything sprouted. I'll show you some pictures when they were in the little tray. I was just like, oh my goodness, what have I done? How am I going to grow out that many petunias? So the tray down there, the big white tray that we were working in before, has 60 cells. So not all of them are petunias. There were a few pansies in there as well, but that's quite a few. So depending on how my alyssum does, we might be edging the flower beds in wave petunias this year instead. Open them up, we got a lot of nice airflow in there. They look really good. Okay, so this morning I decided to pinch back my stalk. So you can see I have a little pile here that I've already started. And you can see the petunias after yesterday's little attack. they look fine. They handled it just fine. No worries. They look great. Okay, so just like on the petunias, what you want to do is you want to find so you have your seed leaves, and then you have your first set of true leaves right above it, and you pinch right above that. All right. So you find seed leaves, true leaves, and pinch. Okay, so you can see what's left here. Just like that. And we're going to just keep going. So sorry if I'm not focusing this very good. It's hard to see the screen and what I'm doing at the same time, because I am my own cameraman this morning. Okay, I think that's still looks a little gangly, so I'll go through and make sure I didn't miss any after, but I think that's good. Here's my little pile of clippings, so I'm just going to go put these in just a little bit of water and see if we can't get anything in here to root. And if it happens, I will keep you posted.